will go to the third lesson today. It is dressing up day. This lesson discusses about an annual day function or a show run by second class students of a school. How did the children get ready and what an excitement they had and what was their role in the show. Before beginning the lesson, there is a get set go activity. Certain pictures are given there. A gown, a mop, a cap, a crown, a shoe. Which of these does Cinderella need to go for a party? That's the question. Have you ever heard the story of Cinderella? A poor girl who turned out to be the princess of a country? Yes, you may search in the Google or YouTube and once listen to the story of Cinderella. Let us come to our lesson part, dressing up day. Read after me. Everybody keep your textbook open, page number 20. Read after me. Neha, are you ready? Rahul, has anybody seen my shoes? Susan, hurry up please, I need to change. Jasbir, don't eat now, you will mess up your dress. It is a busy day for the children of class 2. Everyone is talking. The school hall is full of noise and laughter. The children are excited. They are going to put up a show. They are all dressing up. They are dressing up as people who help us. At last, everyone is ready. The show starts. One by one, the children tell who they are. I'm a gardener. I take care of plants. I water them to keep them healthy. Plants make our world beautiful. Don't you think so? I'm a soldier. I guard my country. I fight for my country. I'm proud to be a soldier. Jai Hind. I'm a potter. I make pots of different shapes. I make clay toys for children. I shape them with my hands. I make pots on this wheel. Come and have a look at my pots and toys. So, reading this passage, we understand that the children are getting ready for giving a show. In this show, they are going to present a fancy dress show. The children are dressing as people who help us. Who are the people help us or don't? Don't you need the help of others? Yes, without the help of others, we cannot lead of our own. We cannot lead a life of our own. We need some people to help us. It can be a milkman, a farmer, a doctor, a nurse, a teacher, or a woodcutter. So these people must help us, or we need the help of such people to lead a smooth life. We cannot live a life of our own. Let us look at the text. Neha is ready. Are you ready? So they are changing their dress, doing the makeup. So Neha asks her friends, are you all ready? What is the opposite of ready? Unready. Please underline the word ready and mark there. Put an opposite symbol and write unready. Rahul is asking, has anybody seen my shoes? Rahul lost his shoes. They are in a hurry while changing dress and all. They remove their shoes, ID cards and all. You know, when you prepare for your class annual day, sometimes you may lose your shirt, uniform shirt, ID cards. Yes, it happens always whenever we have a class annual day function. Imagine the same situation. A boy called Rahul lost his shoes. He is asking, have you anybody seen my shoes? Another girl called Susan comes. Hurry up please. Make fast. Please underline the word hurry up, speed up. Hurry up meaning speed up. I need to change. Why is Susan shouting at everyone to make it fast? Because she needs to change her dress. We know we must take care that there should be no one else when we change our dress. If you want to change a dress, go to your room, close the door, change your dress. We must make sure that there is no presence of others. So Susan tells her friends, please make it fast. I want to change my dress. Please clear the area. Jasbir is telling something very interesting. Don't eat now. You will mess up your dress. Mess up in the sense, make dirty, spoil. We know that wearing uniform, if we take some food, our dress will become dirty. Some little bit of pickle will be here, little bit of jam will be there on the other side. So it will be like spoiling the dress. So Jaspreet says to someone, hello, don't eat now. It will mess me know the excitement. Someone will be running there, someone will be running here and going, climbing on the stage, getting out of the stage, going to teacher and ask for a doubt, inviting guests. Yes, so all are very much excited. The school hall is full of laughter and sound. Everyone is talking. Noise means sound and laughter. The children are excited. Excited means very much delighted. Yes, they are going to put up a show. Put up in the sense, conduct. They are all dressing up. They are dressing up as people who help us. Yes, it is something like a fancy dress show. A fancy dress competition, you may imagine. So, it is time for the starting of the show. One by one children come to the stage. Imagine a child is coming to the stage. Yes, slowly coming and telling, I'm a gardener. I take care of the plants. I treat them to be healthy. I give them water. You know, plants make the world beautiful. Don't you think so? Saying this dialogue, the boy just vanishes. Then the next one comes. I'm a soldier. He has a gun on his shoulder. He comes with a gun and says, I'm a soldier. I guard my country. Guard in the sense, protect, safeguard. I guard my country. I fight for my country. We know what happens in Kargil and Kashmir and all. I am proud to be a soldier. Jai Hind. Yes, he is a very patriotic person, a soldier. We know they are ready to sacrifice even their life. They do not worry about the death. They are ready to sacrifice their lives also for the country. So he says, I am proud to be a soldier. When the soldier leaves the stage, here comes the third one, a gardener. I'm a gardener. I protect, I take care of plants. I give them water to be healthy. Don't you know that? Don't you think? Without the plants, flowers, the world will not be very beautiful. So plants make the world beautiful and the gardener is very proud to keep the world beautiful. Yes, we stopped here today. Read the textbook aloud minimum 3 times and get a signature from your parents and learn the opposites and synonyms from the given passage. I'll see you in the next class. Bye.